Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to start the battery relocation for real this time. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, we are going to BOC. We're going to take the argon back. We're going to pick up some new stuff, and we're going to pick up the 50mm squared cable for the battery relocation. Let's go. Yeah, just at BOC. Picked up the new NOS bottle, argon, and we've got the cable. So we can start laying cables for the battery relocation. Let's do it.
Tomorrow.
Good morning guys, it's the next day. So if you remember when I bought the new battery, it's down in the Skyline. It's got more cold crank, but physically it's the same size. So first up, we're going to mount the battery in the boot, and then we'll run the cables. Let's do it.
Day 3.
Alrighty guys, I am finally back. It's Friday night, I guess. It's after work. Just take you through everything that you need and how much. So I've got the 5 meters of 50mm squared, which is equivalent to 0 gauge, I believe. So I've got 5 meters of that. That was about $70. I'll just pick these up. Got the master switch. Yes, master switch distribution block. So 1 0 gauge in and 4 out. Then we've got terminals, so 50mm squared. So we've got 10mm stud size, 10mm stud size. So these are for the battery and earthing. Then we've got 50mm with the 8mm is to go onto the master switch. As you can see, it's quite small. So I opted for smaller rings, and all of this here came to about $170, and obviously everything else we already have. So we've got the battery, we've got the mounting for that, and then we'll just need an angle grinder pretty much, which we'll get to. Let's do it.
Day 4.
Alrighty guys, it's Saturday Arvo now. Sorry I didn't get anything done. But I also forgot to get grommets, because I will be going through the metal. So I'll just get the verniers onto the end here. 15mm. Alright, I'm going to hit the Bunnings and pick up some grommets. Alright guys, picked up the grommets. Got a 1-inch grommet. About $5. And I picked up a step drill, which I haven't had before, so it's an investment there. Right, we're gonna go get changed, and we'll get stuck into it finally.
Eventually.
Alrighty guys, gotten changed into some better clothes for working on the car. We're gonna actually mount the battery first, so we'll head up the back. Alrighty guys, we are in the boots. So, junk in here. Right, get that battery out. So I need to chop off that section. So we can put the battery down there and then knock down the edges so the battery will sit flat. You come back when deciding to chop. Alrighty. Safety glasses. Here we go. Gotta get the flap disc on there. Clean it up. Well, I can't find any flap discs, so good I am at getting it off with the old cut-off wheel. Great. Right, so I've ground that down. And my batteries have, one's flat, one's nearly flat, so the missus is going to take us out for dinner, so I'll come back. They will be charged. I've done all the noisy stuff, so except for drilling, but that's not really that noisy. And we'll get started. I'll get the battery in there for now, and we can see where we are at. I'll just sweep it up a little bit and just mark it with a Sharpie, sort of flatten them down.
Tomorrow for sure.
Righty guys, it's actually the next day. My batteries went flat, so I couldn't really do anything except I did punch out the corners here, so I've flattened it out. So I used a chisel that's around somewhere and a hammer. So I pretty much just scored the bottom when the battery was in there, so I could see where the corners were, and then just bashed it down. So it's flattened out, sits in there perfect, doesn't wobble or anything. I will be sealing this up, and I'll seal it from underneath. So we're going to have to clean off under here as well. So what we need to do is jack up the car at the back. Alright guys, I'm going to start drilling with the Christmas bit. Let's put grommets in. So 2 holes, far enough apart that we can put these 2 grommets. And just checking underneath. Looks like they come out about where the sway bar is, not where the exhaust is. So that's good. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to drill it out to 20mm. So third last one for both of them. They are 1 inch grommets, so yeah, let's get the drill. Alrighty, here we go. First time using a stepper drill bit. Oh wow. Oh my god, where have you been all my life? Would have been good if I cleaned it first, but I'll clean it after. Looking good. We are looking good. Still got a bit to go. Have to clean up around it so this fits a lot better. That might be it. Oh, do one more. Last one. Alrighty guys, I have the grommets in. So I went all the way with the Christmas drill, and then get the chisel and take off the sound deadening. So it's just the metal, so the grommets would fit in, and they fit in snug. So now this side is going to be power, so I'll just cut out the center, and we'll feed it up to the center console where the brake is, and we'll put the kill switch there. Alright guys, so I've got this switch here. It's going to go in the middle here somewhere. Probably just replace it. That one. This was the switch I used for the scavenger pump, which obviously I don't have anymore. Alrighty guys, so I've got to drill a couple of holes here. Still going to look underneath, let's see what's underneath. And this should be alright for the depth here. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to probably actually put it in this little change holder here. It's kind of tucked away instead of having a big... Yeah, it's going to... No one will know. Could put it on the back side of it. Put it to the bottom. But I got to cut this carpet away. And drill some holes. Alrighty, so I've got a couple of holes there, but I won't be able to use the grommets in them because it's double layered. So I'm just going to clean off the edges, and I have to use some silicone of some sort. I need to get the vacuum in here too. Alright guys, so I'm just going to drill this out. If I stuff it up, there's plenty of other foresters that got these. It's quite easy to pop out anyways. And if I do stuff it up, I could just put a plate there and mount the switch to the plate. I think that would look a lot better. Yeah, let's do it. And I'll put you guys on charge. While you're on charge, I'll just run the cables. Then we'll pick up from in the engine bay. Alright guys, so I've done the switch on the interior. So it's down in there. Now we've got to run it to the front. So we've just got a whole bunch of wire down there. I'll probably run it through the inner guard. Maybe. And out to here. Alright guys, I'm going to take the panel off. Sorry guys. Alrighty guys, I've run the wire. I didn't go through the guard, but I have the guard off anyways. I just went up through here behind the water reservoir for the wipers and under the fuse box, and we'll mount it just here. I'm actually pretty stuffed and got a really bad headache at the moment, so I might actually just finish this episode here. Doesn't feel like I've done that much, but I've been out here for hours. So I've got the battery in the boot, I've got the switch in the middle console. Still need to mount this properly, and you get some sealant some proper sealant, and I need to run the earth still. So yeah, we'll catch you next episode when we finish off the battery relocation. If you like this episode, guys, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.